Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can upload a plugin. So first go to the WordPress website, the official WordPress website, and we will download the same plugin from here. So search for contact form and 7, just like that. And we will download this one. So just click on that and then click on download. So the plugin is downloaded. Now we first need to go to our all plugin page, and here we need to deactivate this plugin first because we have already installed it. So I'm going to deactivate and then delete it. So click on delete to delete the plugin, and I will click on OK. And now I will upload this plugin which I downloaded from the internet, and this is the same plugin, you know that, right? Just click on add new and then click on upload plugin and then click on choose file. I will go to download and then I will click on this contact form 7. So select your file. This is the contact form 7 plugin which I just downloaded, and then click on open. And now we can click on install now to install this plugin. And now you can click on activate plugin to activate the plugin. And you will see the contact option will appear right here after it has been activated. And yeah, it has been activated. So that's it for this video, and in the next video I will show you how you can use this contact form plugin. So I'll see you there. Bye.